How to connect motorized day and night cellular shades to Tuya Wi-Fi gateway. Power on the gateway. First, press the setting button on the back of the gateway for 5 seconds. The red light flashes and the gateway enters the pairing mode. Open the Tuya or Smart Life app, click the plus at the top right. Add device. Others. Others, Wi-Fi. Then connect to 2.4G Wi-Fi. Confirm the indicator is blinking. Blink slowly. Join. If not, add the gateway hotspot that starts with Smart Life. Wait for connection. Done. Then connect the motor. Add subdevice. Press S button twice on the back of the remote. One, 2. LED already blink. Done. Change name. Done. Now you can control it by your phone. You can set more in the upper right corner. Voice control is also possible by syncing with Alexa. Me. Alexa. Link to Amazon Alexa. Link. Done. Now you can control it by Alexa. Alexa, open the day shades.
Okay.
Alexa, open the night shades.
Okay.